Oh fuck.
But if God got us, then we gon' be alright.
Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's SüpremeRG here, and today we are playing Overwatch. This isn't my game, it's my friend's game, but now, this is not my first time playing this. Okay, I'm just gonna go and show you guys how good I am. This guy, I have to say, really good. Really good. This guy is extremely good. For now, this is my friend's game, and I'm just playing it on my console. I played it on his console, and I got him a 20 kill streak. So, I have to say, I'm pretty damn good. This dude just killed me for last. Or no, he killed me single. He didn't get last kill count. Oh no, I got last kill. That wasn't even a kill cam, what? How did I die? Okay, you know what? Gotta bring her out. You know, she ain't that bad. Oh wow, first time I've run into a kill streak with her. Oh, he's got a shield. Oh shit. I need some fucking health, yo. I can die any second. I literally could die right now. I'm dead. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty sure I've actually never used her before. Yeah. Okay, we're not using her. I'm using Tacer again. Like, dude, I did pretty good with Tacer. Not gonna lie. The fuck? Okay, I was about to say, where the fuck am I? What the fuck is that? Is that Takio?
This old dog's learned a few tricks.
Okay, now I'm hearing the black market guy. I hear Takio, I hear the black market guy. Like, whoa, what's going on?
I've got you in my sights.
I just used it. I did not mean to use the ability. I just wasted the ability. That was fast. Alright. I think I'm gonna do one more game, but then I think I'm gonna fucking call it quits. Holy shit. Oh my god. Not a good idea. So close. If you guys did enjoy me playing Overwatch and you guys wanted to play more, leave a like. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another Overwatch video, or I don't know, but yeah, guys, it's been SüpremeRG, and peace.